Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of an Italian brand renowned in the world of fashion and luxury. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Zegna, Zegna, Segna, Segna, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as Zegna, Zegna, say, Nia, Zegna. Zegna is celebrated for its impeccably crafted menswear, particularly its luxurious wool and cashmere suits. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.